Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita and today I'm going to take you through a 10 minutes Pilates upper body workout. So let's warm up and get connected to our breaths. So we're going to lie down in child's pose. So bring a chair, we'll need a chair today. We're working our upper bodies. Let's just take a couple of deep breaths, just surrendering to your mat, surrendering to the moment of this commitment of 10 minutes for you to dedicate for your body, create stillness in your mind and to reconnect. So nice long deep breaths in, exhale, letting go of anything that's not serving you this morning or evening or afternoon, inhaling, presence on the mat for the next 10 minutes. Let's come up onto all fours. We're going to inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. One more time. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Neutralize your spine. Take shoulder to ear. And other side, shoulder to ear. One more time, shoulder to ear. Shoulder to ear. We're going to tuck the toes under and lift up those knees slightly. Hold for 3, 2, 1 and gently release. And again, pull that belly button in. Inhale, lift up, hold for 3, 2, 1, gently release. One more time, inhale, lift and extend the legs. And just gently walk it out, left, right, left, right. Bring your feet together. Bend your knees. We're going to take the knees over to the left, and buttocks over to the left and change sides. Good. One more time. Bend in the knees. You're sitting on a horse-side saddle and you should feel a stretch all the way underneath your armpits. Good. And then coming up to sitting, you can sit either cross-legged or on your knees like me. And we're just going to roll those shoulders out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Change directions. Rolling those shoulders forward and back. Good. And then interlock your fingers, reach your fingers in front, separating the shoulder blades behind you, interlocking the hands behind you. Open up the chest. Beautiful. And one more time, inhaling, reaching forward, expanding the upper back, opening up the shoulder blades behind you. And back up, opening up the chest. And then gently release. We're going to come onto our hands and knees and we're going to do some push-ups. So you're on your knees, your hands are just wider than the shoulders. You're taking your body forward slightly and then we're exhaling, coming down, inhaling, lifting up. Exhaling, coming down, inhaling, lifting up. Let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. And stretch it out. And then we're going to come and sit on the chair. We're going to work our triceps. So you're bringing your hands facing your buttocks. Take your feet out long. You can have them bent like this. So let's do level 1 first. Keep your elbows close to the body and then you're just going to slide your buttocks down your chair for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then just stretch it out. And the other side. And we're going to repeat that. We're going to come up onto our hands and knees, lean forward onto the chest, keep your belly button pulled in, keep your gaze 1 foot ahead of you, and we're going to exhale, come down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stretch it out. Breathing in, breathing out. And then we're going to come back onto the chair and work our triceps. Okay, hands, fingers facing your buttocks. And if you want to, you can have your knees bent or you can have your legs long like this. And make sure you keep your belly button pulled in and you glide down that chair. Keep your buttocks close to the chair. Let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then we're going to rest up. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice long deep breaths in, nice long deep breaths out. Letting it go. And we've got one more set. Are you ready? Palms planted firmly on the mat. Belly button pulled in. Keep your gaze in front. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And stretch it out. Breathing in, breathing out. Stretching it out, stretching it out. One more thing to do and we are done. Okay. Excuse me. So fingers close to the buttocks. You can have your knees bent or long, up to you. You choose. Remember, it's all about working at your own pace. Keep your buttocks close to your body, your chair, and roll down. Gliding down for 10, 9, don't forget to breathe, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. And let's just rotate those wrists and grab hold of your elbow. Now lift your elbow up to the ceiling, bring it down to one side. And change sides. Lift up, bring it down to one side. Roll your shoulders back, place your hands on your shoulders, elbows close. Breathing in, breathing out, and then change directions. Beautiful. Extend, pulling those shoulder blades apart, and then behind, and then gently release. Take a couple of deep breaths in, a couple of deep breaths out. And as we acknowledge our 10 minutes we've dedicated to ourselves, think of 3 things that give you joy and pleasure, or you're grateful for in this moment. Breathe them in and breathe them out. Breathe them in and breathe them out. I thank you for your time and allowing me into your living rooms. And don't forget, if you've liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and let me know how you're getting on. Thanks for watching. Bye.